Hello friends, in this video we are going to do the topic IP spoofing attack. So basically we will see what is IP spoofing. So let's start it. We know that IP address is used uniquely to identify the host on an internet. So every host will have its own IP address. બધા host પાસે પોતાનું IP address હશે જે uniquely define કરેલું હશે. Then what is spoofing? Spoofing is a creation of IP packets with forged source IP addresses. સોર્સ એડ્રેસને ચેન્જ કરીને પેકેટ્સ IP પેકેટ સેન્ડ કરવા એને સ્પૂફિંગ કહે છે. સો ઇટ ઇઝ રિટન સ્પૂફિંગ ઇઝ અ ક્રિએશન of IP packets with forged source IP address, meaning fake source IP address. IP spoofing refers to an intruder using forged source IP address to establish a one-way connection. So in order to get connection, what the attacker is doing, he is making forged source IP address, and from that forged source IP address he is sending a request for connection to the receiver. Then in this attack, an attacker might also use special program. So he can use a special program to construct IP packets that appear to originate from validate address. So it will appear that the request has been obtained from the valid person, but actually it has been constructed by a program that is fake. Then after gaining access to the network with a valid IP address, the attacker can modify, reroute or delete your data. So once it has obtained the access to the network, then he can modify, reroute or delete your data. Then spoofing can be done by faking an identity, such as email spoofing involves sending messages from bogus email addresses of another user, and IP spoofing involves masking of IP address of certain computer system, meaning the sender or the attacker is using spoofed IP address, meaning IP address or some another person which appears to be a valid person but actually he is not. So that is IP spoofing. DOS attack often use IP spoofing to overload network bandwidth. So in DOS attack, IP spoofing is mostly used. So solutions, what are the solutions of this IP spoofing? First of all, we can do is packet filtering and second is to use appropriate network protocol. So now I will show you one diagram in which it is shown how IP spoofing is done. So here there is one user host A and there is one user host B. Now user A, host A has his own source address and destination address, that is of the server, and host B also has its actual source IP address and the destination address. But host B is an attacker and he is using spoofed source IP address. That is, you see, the spoof source IP address consists of the source IP address of the host A. So he is using the IP address of host A and sending request to the server from the host A's IP address. So this is basically called IP spoofing. Thank you.